everyone, this is Amit Chaudhary. I'm a support engineer at the Event Solutions. Here I'm going to show you how to enhance the email format functionality for the successful and the failure entries, along with the essential details such as basic map information, run date and time, who ran the integrations, and total number of records like success, failures, etc. Okay, let's go back to the video. Okay, so here we go. I have a simple integrations which is inputting the data from the Excel to the Dynamics GP, right? So here I have like some task. I don't have any task. Let me add some email functionality over here. So first of all, I'll go to the maintenance and add the global variable here, like files, maintenance, global variables. I'm going to add the three variables, say email, gbl email underscore error underscore log. This variable will use to capture the error log. Okay, I'm going to add another variable, email success log, add it. And third one is the email failure log. So this variable used to capture the concatenated string that can indicate like which are been failures. Like this is specifically used it for only for failures. Okay, then I'll just close it. I'll go back to my integration. Then I'll go to the task. First, I will just add the simple to reset the value for the global variable. First thing I will check it like with which language I want to prefer. So here we go, like here I choose the C#.NET. You can either choose like a VB.NET too. So just like a syntactically it is a different, but I'm going to choose the C# over here. So first thing I will create like I'll declare that set some default value for those three global variables. So I'll go to the pre-task. I'm going to add the things into the pre-task is to make sure like before I start the integration, I'm going to set those global variables as a blank. So I'll go and right click on the tasks that run before the integration, like the new task and the run script. Then I'll go and give the name of like reset variable, and here I'll choose like a global variable. Will maximize it just like a user variable. I'll choose like this is error log. I will give like equal to blank. Then I'll choose like second one, drag and drop from the left hand side. I will declare those three variables as a blank. Click on the validate. It shows validate successful. So I declared as a blank at initial stage. Okay. Then I'm going to capture the failures. So what I'll do it is I'll create like, hey, if I have a document fail, like this document task will iterate, will do the iteration for each of the loop, right? For each of the document it is iterated through. So I'm going to add like I want to capture the failure log for each of it, like whoever is iterating, whoever's the record has been going through, right? So I'll click on the task that run if the document failed, because I want to capture the failures. So I'll go and create a script, simple script. I will give some name like capture failure message, right? And then what I'll do it is I'll maximize it. Then I'll go to the global variables field. I'll choose my global variable, which is failure log, right? I will put it like take the existing value like here plus, and I will put like to the next line environment dot new line plus what I want to capture is customer PO number plus I'll drag and drop my source field. So here I have choose like say let's say I want to capture the customer PO number, so I'll drag and drop and then plus. If I have like I'm expecting like some spaces, I can do like trim to like to remove the spaces, right? So yeah, so in the similar way what I'll go to like I'll capture the another line to the next line I want to capture to the customer number. So I'll put it like the customer number, and instead of the PO number I'll capture the customer number from here and drag and drop. Okay, then this is good. Okay, similar way I would like to capture the date too. Just for simplicity, document date, choose document date, I'll copy and paste it again. I would like to capture the freight like a shipping charges they do have, right? What are the shipping charges they have? This is just like extra like the freight, and like okay, choose like what is my sales order number, so say like order number, and there you go, choose like global rolling column. I'll go to the system variables. This is my GP rolling column, which is the destination sales order number, which is going to capture into this rolling column, which has been incremented when we are pushing the data to the system. Okay, and then at the last I'm going to put some, so say like I want to put like some blank line, so I'll put it like this way. I'll put it like a blank line, and that's it. So yep, semicolon is just like for indie. Did I missed it? We environment. Okay, yep, I'm going to validate now. Yep, this is basic details I want to capture. Okay, so then what I'm going to do it is to like, hey, this is a variable, this variable like the failure log, right? This is where I'm going to capture the failure information. Okay, so that's just like composing the things. So then I'll create another one on the same place, go to the run test document failed, and creating the run script to capture the error message. Okay, so what is the error it is getting? So I'll give the name like capture error log, and say what is a variable. I choose the variable from here is to error, not this one, here. I'll choose again same thing, just to add it, right? And then I'm going to add it environment plus number for which it is failed, right? Say like hit this one, and my GP rolling column, which is here. This is my sales order number, and then I'll copy the line. Let me test it again. Let's say error. Now this is main thing is to capture, like, let's say I use the function, so say like function dot replace, drag and drop to hit this place. Source field is, use it, source field, use it like global last error, replace text. To code, new value is blank space, finish. So I'm going to use like this. So if any code came right, like a code, single code, like this one. Single code in the form. Follow me. So yeah, so this global last run error, right? It will capture that error message which has been lastly getting from the integration. Okay, I'll click on the validate. See what it is. Okay, I don't need it. There is a semicolon needed at the last. Right. Then I'll click. Yep. So then I'm going to capture the success one. Then so I'll create the task under that. If the task that runs, if the document succeed, I'll go and create the run script. Success. I will give the name like capture success log. And there you go. I'll choose the same global variable which is created with like the success. And again drag and drop. The class is only for appending. Then what I'll do it is to I'll copy all of the things from here to here. I would like to capture the same thing. So there I would also like to do it like the same way. Like, hey, capture the PO number, capture the customer number, capture the document number, freight, and the order number, likely like this. So click on the validate and assigning to the success log variable. Yep, it's fine. Now it's time to send the emails. So now let me define the variable email task. So what I'll do it, first I'll give the task name, which is send email failure. This task I'm going to add it into that last part, which is the run post task, where it shows like the tasks that run if the integration failed. So just giving it. So what is the to address you want? And what is the subject you want? Like sales order import failure. I'll check this check two check boxes, which is telling like to include if any failures. It will include the attachment which will show you that list of the data that has been failed. So what I'll do it here, I have functions to use, like how to use the global variable inside the body. So let's say this insert variables, right? You have the list of those values. So how to use it? What I'm going to use it is like map ID, and then there you go, choose what. I'll click on this insert variable. I'll choose like global map ID. Okay, that's good. Then map description. What description for the map? click on the insert variable again, and then I'll choose like global map description, right? So in similar way, I'll do the rest of it, like the run number, run date, run by, total record count, success record count, failure. Likely, like for example, like this: run date time, run global run number, global run date. You can find these things into the insert variables pointed. So what it's going to do, like it is capturing the map IDs. What's the integration ID, integration description, your run number, how what is your run number, is like it is always increment by 1, and then it shows you like how many times you ran it, right? And that will show you like the current run number. And what is a global run rate means it is showing like when you run it, like date and time, and run by, it is global user ID, which is used for that variable to capture who ran the integration. And then I can say total record count. So I have a variable, I'll click on the insert variable, I'll capture like global process count, which will capture total number of record. Fine. Then I can say success record count, right? And then say it's like global success count, then failure record count, global failure, it's error count. So this will capture like, hey, global process count is showing like how many total number of records been faced based upon your source key, and success will show you how many has been success, and failure will show how many been failure. So here I'll put like some delimiter, like say like to just make it separate, and I'll put it like success record. I'll give the label, and there I'll choose, hey, let me put like my success variable here, gbl underscore email underscore success. Let me capture that, and I'll put it again like some delimiter over here, and say like failure records, right? And then I'll choose like email failure log, and again I'll do like some parameter, let's say error list, choose my variable from here, and I'll put it like this. So this will show you like what I've been like, this block will show you how many records been success with the custom body we have been composed. This will show you like how many has been processed with this composed body, and this last variable will show you the current failure record, okay, related with that order number. So yeah, so this is added for the failure, then I'm going to add it for success too. So let's say if my integration is success, right, it will capture like here like a success email, and then let me give the name like send email success. Let me add the true email ID to whom I want to send the emails. Let's say it's me. What is the subject of the email? Say like, okay, I'll capture like, I'll copy the same content. So here I'll put it. So this is failures, this is not needed. The last part like the failure log, or this is not needed for to send the emails for the success. So I'll just keep it here. I want to show you only the block for that success. Okay, so now yeah, So let me run the integration now. Yeah, total number of record 4, follow up in success. Let me show you the email. Yeah, I got the email. Here you go. It will show you, this is my map ID, this is my map integration, this is second time I'm running, this is runtime when I ran it based upon the time zone you have been set inside the SmartConnect. This is a user who ran it. If it is used, if the map is executed by the service account, it will show you like the service account name. And let's see, like total number of record are 4, success are 4, and 0 failures. So the success record block, right, it contains the 4 documents. So each of it, like say like, hey, this is my PO number, this is my customer number, this is my document number, freight, and this is my GP order number, like the destination order number. So that this is my first block, so that's why I put like delimiter has dash 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 dash, and then it has showing like a second block, third block, third order, and fourth order, right? So now let me see, let me put some invalid data to the file. Let's see, for one of it I put a wrong customer ID. Let's see if I have a wrong customer ID for that one of record. So let me open this integration, let me run it. It's supposed to show me the one failure. Yep, 3 has been success and 1 failed, and this is a failure email. Like, yep, this is a failure message. So let me see what is my failure. Well, there we go. You see, this is the map ID, same thing. This is third time I'm running, date and time, who ran it, total number of record 4, 3, and failure record 1. And there also like it's supposed to be show you like the how many is in success. Yes, because 3 are in success, so there you can see the 3 blocks over here. And failure, this is 1 failed, so that's why it is. And the bottom one show you the list of the errors which has been throwing error. For means like, hey, I captured the order number, this is exactly matching with this order number for the failure one, and you can see all the error message here. What is the customer does not exist, which is actual error for the failure if you have any error during the processing. And also you will see the attachment which will show you like list of the records that been failed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.